Hello guys, I'm Dipali Karanjavkar and welcome to my world of creations. In this video, I'm going to show basic plates with simple paper folding techniques. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Ask your queries in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer. So, let's start the video. Here, I have taken A4 size sheet and divided paper into 8 equal parts. Try to achieve 4 grids at each of these 8 lines. Then I define mountain and valley folds in these 4 grids to achieve the double pinch pleat. Here, I folded one side with all the pleats together this way to the back side. Doesn't it look like a nice ruffle or a decorative pattern? Now, I also tried a different variation by using this double pinch pleat technique. Twisted these pinches in opposite direction and turn them to back side. Here, I'll show you how I achieved that. I gathered one side folds together like this. With the use of a ruler, I turn the sides towards back. To secure this fold tightly, press the every section. The same process applied to the other side. Oh look, twisted pleat pattern looks so beautiful. As an experiment, I flattened the center part that added a nice flow to these lines. I wanted to create a pattern that has depth and rhythm, so I started securing center area by leaving sides free. I collected center areas of the pleat together like this, formed a center spine by applying similar folding pattern. To make this paper sculpture, I used a special glue. It's my favorite glue. Just put a one drop and hold for a while to attach both sides to each other. And done. I'm coming up with more paper folding models, kirigami paper sculptures, and modular origami videos. Subscribe and share to support. Thank you all.